So when does the letter O say the sound ah? This is a rule I've learnt relatively recently in my teaching career, considering I've been teaching spelling and reading for many years. This was a rule only fairly recently came to me, but it's a really good rule and it's stable. It's not one of those rules, well, if this and if that. It's pretty much just do it. So the letter O can say when it's next to a W, a TH, an M, or a V. It can be either side, but usually it's before. So with the W's, usually it is following. So wonder, one, n. We hear the sound, but letter O is doing it. Then before a TH in mother, brother, other, another, all that family. Before the M in accomplish, so accomplish, accompany, and also to help explain come and some, which are common sight words which we tell children they just have to know, but actually there is a rule about this. It is because the O is before the M that it's going to go rather than comb, which is what it should say if it rhymed with words like cone. Then we've got before a V, love, of, government, and then cover. So it's quite common, and it's really stable. So it's a really good one for students to know.